Tesla Giga Texas receives big shipment for possibly Cybertruck production. And in this report, I'm going to tell you all about that. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. If you are here first time, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. Tesla Giga Texas got another sheet metal bending machine. Presumably, it will be used to produce the Cybertruck, whose exoskeleton will be made in the origami style. So, sheet metal bending machine is delivered to Giga Texas. Tesla continues to equip its Texas factory in order to mass produce Cybertruck there. Recent sightings by Joe Techmeyer on Twitter showed the delivery of a huge box from Trumpf. It contained a TrueBend 5320 sheet metal bending machine, probably intended for the production of the Cybertruck, which seems very imminent. It was not the first such machine delivered to Giga Texas. The second delivery indicates that Tesla is looking to set up a production line for large-scale production of the electric pickup truck. Cybertruck's design is a breakthrough. It will be produced from a front and rear single-piece casting, which will be connected by a structural battery pack. Tesla's pickup truck has a stainless steel alloy exoskeleton made in origami style. It is made with the same material that will be used on the exterior shell of SpaceX's Starship rocket. When looking at the Cybertruck exoskeleton, you can see that its outer shell does not look like an ordinary car. There are almost no gaps between the doors on its body. Evaluating the Cybertruck exoskeleton, we can assume that it was made using Trumpf technologies. Now, Tesla ordered the most advanced version of TrueBend machine. The TrueBend 5320 seen at Giga Texas is the strongest and heaviest machine in the series. According to the technical specifications, its clamping force is 3200 kN. With it, you can bend metal up to 4.42 meters long. The Cybertruck's exoskeleton will be made from 3 mm thick stainless steel sheet. According to a comment from Elon Musk, conventional metal bending machines would not be able to handle this. However, TrueBend 5320 can. What do you think, friends? How close is Tesla to start producing the Cybertruck at Giga Texas? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. I'll look forward to reading your comments. Let's move on to our next story. Breaking news about Tesla's 4680 battery cell production, friends. Just about an hour ago, Tesla announced a major milestone in 4680 cell ramp at Gigafactory, Texas. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. If you are here first time, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. So Tesla just about an hour ago announced a major milestone in the ramp of the 4680 battery cell at Gigafactory, Texas, confirming it has produced 10 million battery cells at the plant. Imagine 10 million 4680 battery cells at Gigafactory, Texas. Tesla has been building 4680 cells for several years after unveiling the technology behind the battery in late 2020. Initially starting production at the Cado Road facility in Northern California, just near the Fremont factory. Tesla expanded 4680 manufacturing at Gigafactory, Texas after vehicle production began and has been using the batteries in the all-wheel drive Model Y. Tesla has been selling these Model Ys for over a year now, and the ramp-up of 4680 technology has continued. After aiming to begin production of 4680 cells in Q3 2022, Tesla has evidently ramped the manufacturing of the battery up considerably, announcing it has built 10 million cells in Gigafactory, Texas earlier today. Like I said, just about an hour ago. The 10 million cells produced are enough to build roughly 12,000 Model Y vehicles. Don't think that this 10 million cells, meaning 10 million, enough batteries for 10 million vehicles. No, the 10 million battery cells produced are enough to build roughly 12,000 Model Y vehicles. Outside of Texas, Tesla is hoping to continue ramping up 4680 production to supplement vehicles that will be fitted with those packs. In Fremont, California, Tesla just leased a massive 210,000 plus square foot facility that will be used for 4680 manufacturing, helping to get more cars with the breakthrough battery technology on the road. It's a huge building. Last year, CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, said 4680 battery cells would be an important part of Tesla's plans in 2023. Evidently, ramping up production of these cells and getting more 4680 packs into the company's electric vehicle is a goal moving forward, and hopefully Tesla can reach a point where they are not limited with how many vehicles they can build, as cell constraints have been an industry-wide issue for years. So I congratulate Tesla for this milestone and for building more 4680 batteries for their vehicles. And I think this by next year we should see more numbers, better numbers coming up from Tesla in this regard. What do you think, friends? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. The most recent sighting of Tesla Cybertruck clearly shows the steering wheel type, because many people are wondering, is it going to be yoke or it's going to be a round steering wheel? Well, as of June 16, today, 2023, it is not yet confirmed whether the upcoming Tesla Cybertruck will have a yoke or round steering wheel. However, there are some hints that Tesla may be considering offering both options. But in this fresh sighting of the Cybertruck, which surfaced online just hours ago from California and going viral now on Twitter, if you look closely, you will see a round steering wheel. Now, I have many reasons to believe that this is the final version of the Cybertruck, and while we don't know the final prices and specs of the Cybertruck, the steering wheel is going to be round. Otherwise, why would Tesla camouflage it, right? And in recent Tesla Cybertruck sightings, an unmistakable outline of a round steering wheel can be seen inside the Cybertruck prototype. This suggests that Tesla may be planning to offer a round steering wheel as an option for the Cybertruck, in addition to the yoke-style steering wheel that has been seen in previous prototypes. I said option because it is also worth noting that Tesla has offered both a yoke and round steering wheel option for the Model S and Model X. This suggests that Tesla is open to offering different steering wheel options for different vehicles depending on the preference of a Tesla vehicle buyer. Here are some of the pros and cons of each type of steering wheel, friends. Yoke steering wheel's pros: takes up less space in cabin, can provide a more direct steering feel, may be more aerodynamic. The cons of the yoke is can be difficult to use for some maneuvers such as parallel parking, may not be comfortable for long distance driving for some people. Now, here are the pros and cons of the round steering wheel. The pros of the round steering wheel are more traditional design, more comfortable for long distance driving, easier to use for some maneuvers. And the cons for the round steering wheels for some people are it takes up more space in the cabin and may not be as aerodynamic as the yoke. Anyway, so I hope this helped, friends. But having said this, I think ultimately it is still too early to say for sure what type of steering wheel will be offered on the Cybertruck. However, the hint that Tesla has dropped suggests that a round steering wheel may be an option. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Let me know what you saw here in the picture, and if you agree with this, and if you think Tesla will offer round steering wheel or a yoke steering wheel.